kind of doing this. I get it. It doesn't sound the absolute best. It's not going to be the best because the rookies keep chewing on the cables and the mic doesn't even attach. It's not even attached to anything because you guys chewed through the last one. With that said, go ahead and grab yourself a sandwich. All right, so right away we do have a good mount on our handlebars. We have the GPS going, but that's not what we're talking about. We're going to talk about probably this guy right here. I don't know what's happening in these videos. I haven't watched them ahead of time. Rainin doesn't let me have an internet connection before class. So we're going to go ahead and move on with this. We're going to go ahead and pass these people. Whoa, lost a little bit of traction on that rear tire. We hit the bump. We're going to go off-road with our really fun bike. We should have been riding alone. We kind of rode with the other person, did what they wanted to do, but we shouldn't have done that. Hopefully we're doing fine. Hopefully we're doing fine. GPS didn't help out in that situation. Is this the same thing? Okay, let's see what happens. So his buddy up front passes. Oh, no, man, that's him. Oh, he lost his tire. He lost his tire. Whoa, that's different. I fully expected him to lose traction on the rear tire from accelerating too hard. His tire blew up. There's literally nothing he could have done. Holy crap. I was making bad jokes this whole time, and it really wasn't his fault. I am so sorry, Ride Alone. Let's see what happens here. So that's when the tire immediately blew up. Let's go ahead and see it from the very beginning, though. Not these people. Can you go back to... Thank you. So we're going to pass. Tire just blew up right there. What a bad spot to do it. But what a good spot to do it. You know, let's think of the silver lining here. He found an escape path. Yeah, he found an escape path. He did. Let's see what happened. Where's his escape path? Oh, you see how it was like gummy? You see how it was super gummy on the back? It was just like we're on a waterbed. Let's see that. We're on a waterbed. Watch this. See how it's just like the back end is just kind of doing this? It's just kind of doing this. Just kind of doing that. That's what it looks like when you have low PSI too in your tires. So make sure you do a T-clocks. Make sure you're checking everything because you don't want this happening to you. He found the escape path though. He went off into the grass. Sorry. Oh yeah. Do some squats. All right, here we go. Here we go.
This situation.
All right, doing some wheelies, having some fun on 2 wheels and 1 wheel. You know, it should be 4 and 2, but whatever. Are we gonna crash? Oh! Whoa! He almost got ran over by his buddies. Well, he did get run over by his buddies. All right. Oh. This is gonna be a good video. I can already tell. I can already tell. Hey, what's up? Don't fall down. What are you doing? JCVD, what the hell was that all about? All right, so we're stunting in a safe area. Okay, we got no hazards around us. He's being a smart rider. As much as I tell you guys, hey, don't stunt and whatnot, as long as you manage the risk. Now, obviously, he could be wearing some gear, but the biggest concern is going to be any other hazards hitting him. Okay? We do have a link for gear in the description, ddfmcrew.com/beginner gear. Beardy, I want to see what his beard looks like. Oh, sun in the eyes, can't see anything. There's that uncommon thing in a common situation. Nice little tap on the window, and move on with your day. Hit and run, baby. All right, yes, I know it's the wrong bike for this event, but it's the bike I have. Hey, you seen my Harley go off-road? All right, what's this? 1, 0. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a lot deeper than I thought. Oh, no, 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 no. I've never done that because we don't get water in Yuma, Arizona, but I have crashed into a bush.
You all right? Yeah, good.
Oh, he's actually doing a real event.
Can't believe I put the GoPro on for the second time.
I can't fault this guy for doing this. He literally put himself in a competition with that bike for off-road.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh man.
Put the GoPro on for the second time.
You don't, Matthew, you don't know what JCVD is? Jean-Claude Van Damme, buddy. Best dancer in the world. Got the best moves. Here we go. We're gonna go through here. We got it. Keeps freezing. Roundabout. Oh, side of the vehicle. Definitely. Now find that escape path and moved around, and we are good to go. Quick shout out to Progressive for sponsoring this video. You see in the background, it's only gonna take me about 3 minutes to get a quote. And that is what I want you guys to go do. Being a smart rider means that you are prepped and ready for anything, and crashing can be a real life possibility. So make sure you have some insurance so you can take care of your bike, take care of anything else, maybe even take care of yourself. Go ahead and get a quote, super easy. Use the link in the description. Let's get going. All right, Nano Black, that's his name. Nano Black. Wear some gear, I see some skin. Come on now. All right, we're gonna accelerate through. We got fingerless gloves. Hey, come on, don't do that. Pedestrians have the right of way. All right, we're riding staggered with this buddy. Possibly, I don't know. And, oh, we got a side of the vehicle somewhere? Oh, bus pushing everybody around because that one vehicle didn't even pay attention. Good job on that motorcycle rider for finding an escape path, which was the little shoulder bicycle lane. Very good. Very good. So Rider Ray 2125 with the rock form mount. Thank you, Rick Mackey. What happened? I missed it. So GPS, okay, left turner. Okay, good job on the braking. We seem to have an issue with intersections, Rider Ray 2125. We seem to have that problem. So here's the thing. When we're going up to intersections, the other one was a red light. This one's green, I'll give you that. We have that side of the vehicle. Now that vehicle is already turning. We're a couple dozen feet away from the actual intersection itself. So let's go ahead and apply a little bit of brake pressure to allow that person to go through, and then we're fine. Now, how do we make it to where we don't panic? Well, first of all, you have ABS, so that's amazing. It's a great rider aid. But how do we make it to where we don't panic? We have our hands already on those brakes. We're maybe already slowing down just a little bit because we're getting to an intersection. It's orange stage mode. We got to be prepped and ready for these things. And then if we have a hand on the brakes, what do? We just have to squeeze a little bit. We don't have to grab. We're already covering it, and just squeeze. And then go ahead and roll on. Okay. All right, here we go. R6N392 Life.
Managed to escape from the cross.
Riding through here, side of the vehicle. Okay, non-issue. Come on, Moto Stars. Non-issue. You got the side of the vehicle. It's intersection, path of travel violation. You already know that's happening. You're speeding. Slow it down. All right, we can't see around this vehicle. We're going to swerve or move over. Okay, now that vehicle is going to want to get in front of us because our lane is open and that vehicle right there, that semi, is slower than the other semi. They're going to move over. So good job, though, finding that escape path on the shoulder. That's what you have to do. Sometimes that's what you got to do. So Yang Kev, here we go. Riding through here. They're going to go over, too, because, you know, that lane is kind of packed and this lane wasn't. So you should anticipate that, okay? So be very careful around that. So it looks like it's a wet road. And we should be able to handle this. Oh, they wanted to turn left. They weren't willing to turn right. Oh my gosh. All right, grip and rip. Here we go. Riding through here, side of the vehicle. We got side of people and bicycles because they can. Pedestrians have the right-of-way. Pedestrians have the right-of-way. Why did they do it right now? Well, look at where we're coming. We're going through here, and they're already through the intersection. So you're accelerating through all this stuff, and maybe you shouldn't do that. Okay, so we got people wanting to cross, and that's perfectly fine. They're allowed to. They should be able to, and they have the right of way. Okay?
Thanks for...
All right, thanks for watching. Whew. Do you like turtles? Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live, so make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here, or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.